Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this kinky straight V-part wig that was sent out to me by Wiggins Hair for my honest review. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So first, your hair is going to come nicely packaged in the box that it comes in. Then you are going to get some eyelashes. You are going to get an edge brush, a Wiggins Hair headband. You're going to get the HD wig caps. And you are going to get a nice satin storage bag to store your wig in. Always love those. And let's go ahead and take a look at the wig and do this unboxing. So I did get 24 inches, super long. And this hair is also super thick. It's 180% density. So if you do not like a lot of hair, this wig is not for you. And here is a look at the top part of the wig. Really nice V parting. So your hair is going to blend seamlessly with this wig. Very, very nice natural texture. And here is a look at the inside construction of the wig. So you are going to get an adjustable band, elastic band. Very, very nice. And then of course at the V parting top of the wig, you get 2 clips to make sure your wig is secure. And then there is another clip right along the inside of the wig. And then you're going to get 2 combs on each side of the wig. And there's also a comb in the back for added security. And you do get the adjustable straps in the back as well. And here is another look at the wig. Look at the density on this. This is super thick, like super thick. I don't think I was expecting the fullness of this wig, but it is very beautiful, very, very nice. So here I am just prepping out my natural hair. So I'm just going to add a wig cap to the back portion of my hair, and I do have the front sectioned off where the V part is going to be placed. So I'm just going to take the wig, I'm going to put the elastic band on first and just secure everything from there. Securing the back clip as well as the clips on the side, and then I'm just going to go in and secure the clips around the V parting. And as you can see, you're using your natural hair, so it's going to blend seamlessly. You don't have to worry about any lace, glue, adding makeup, melting, any of that stuff. This is super easy, super beginner friendly for somebody like me who is not like a pro at the lace fronts. I'm just going to go in and fix that parting and blend it and make sure none of the tracks are showing. Super natural. Then I'm going to go in, I'm going to add some heat protectant to the hair, and I'm just going to press the hair out a little bit. I don't want to make this hair bone straight. I want to keep that texture in there, but I do want to tame it and kind of make it a bit flatter. It is giving, you know, Shaka Khan. It's giving Diana Ross vibes. This is some big hair, big, 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 big hair. And also, I will say that my hair is silk pressed, so it doesn't blend as good as it can blend. Had I did this on freshly washed, blown out hair, this would have blended perfectly. But as you can see, my hair is a little bit silkier than the texture of the wig because I did silk press my hair. So, but it still blends very nicely. So, but had I just blown it out and didn't do the silk press, it would have blended better. So I suggest do not silk press your natural hair when you wear this wig, unless you want to make the V part super silky, which I didn't want to do. I love the texture and I'm not trying to alter it to where it's super bone straight. So I am just going through with my straightening comb and I'm just doing a light press on the hair, as you see. Blending very, very nicely with my hair, the color and everything. Very, very nice. Here is the length on me. It is 24 inches. And here is what the wig looks, all pressed out, has a lot of body, super thick, super beautiful. So I do want to see how well this hair holds a curl. I know so many people say that kinky straight wigs don't hold a curl, but I just want to test it out. So I am going to go in and bump the ends a little bit. And a huge pro to this wig is that I love the texture. It's very good for us Black women because it does blend in really well with our type of hair. Also, I do like that it's beginner friendly. You just section out your hair, use your own hair to blend in with the wig, and it blends in seamlessly. And I love not having any lace because you don't have to deal with blending the wig, adding makeup, melting, any of that stuff that, you know, some of us just don't know what to do and we're not pros at it. But also a con to this wig, I would have to say, is that the back clip kept coming out of my hair. So I would suggest to Wiggins Hair maybe add a drawstring so that this wig can be adjusted properly to fit, you know, our head, because it's just too big. It's too big for my head and the comb kept falling out the back of my head. So I would have to either add bobby pins or either, you know, have an anchor braid at the back of my hair. But this is what the wig looks like curled. The curls did fall throughout the day, but this is what it's looking like. Overall, I'd say this is a really, really nice wig. Check out Wiggins Hair. I will be sure to put all their info in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.